Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be planning out the month of April. First of all, I can't even believe it's the month of April. 2021 has been such a weird year. Like, I don't even know where to begin. It's just been weird. So, the kit that I'm going to be using is from Planner Kate, and it is actually not a Monday start kit, so I'm kind of excited about that. I've been using some Monday start kits lately, and it's kind of honestly just been more work than I want it to be. So I'm really excited about this. If you search 317 in her shop, you'll be able to find everything that coordinates with this really cute kit. It is obviously Easter themed, and I'm just gonna put this one right over here. It's like a little bit off, but it's not like off enough for me to feel like it's going to be a problem, you know? I can actually go ahead and cut off that excess if I want to, which I might go ahead and do. I need to find my little cutter there, and a ruler would help, which I don't have, so we're just gonna take the bookmark from last month. And any straight edge will do, but just be careful when you're using something like this, because they don't always, if you apply too much pressure, more than likely you're going to cut through the page. So I absolutely love this kit. It's actually going to be, am I using it next week? I don't even know. Yes, no, yes, because Easter's on the 4th. That took me a whole minute. As a planner, you would think that I would know these things, but yeah, I had to think for a second. The holidays are just weird. Everything's just weird. Okay, let's get that off. I kind of cut that a little crooked, but it works. And we will go ahead and get the other side down. So this month we actually have some things going on, which was kind of predictable because it is Nathan's senior year of high school. So there's just a lot going on right now. Well, there's like still some activities and things going on. There's also sports and stuff going on. So it is kind of nice to feel like some things are going back to normal, but we're still approaching everything with a lot of caution. As I mentioned in Monday's Plan With Me, it is prom this week, and they are doing things differently, and of course always keeping safety first and foremost. I don't know what is going on here, but it's like it doesn't want to cut right on this one spot, and I'm trying not to cut through the whole page. I have done that before because I'm very heavy-handed. There we go. That is perfect. I don't mind kits where I have to like cut excess off. It's when there's not enough material to work with that things get a little not so fun anymore. All right, so I'm going to do this sidebar, and I think that this will cover the whole thing. Yeah, I think so. We'll put it right about here. And then I might do like a little header or like an event label and write this month on it. It's a little bit out of the vertical box, but that is okay. I also have the number stickers, and I'm actually going to use them just because I don't see what other kit or time of the month I would use them, but I also like that it makes the dates pop out from the page a little bit more than just the sort of blue-gray color that's on the MakseLife planners. Alright, so all the date covers are down. The good thing about with sticking to a Sunday start is that I don't really have to change any of the holidays. But what I also love is that Planner Kate now includes some of the holidays already printed for you. Obviously they are printed on the calendar on the planner themselves, but I love this. This is so much cuter, and it just kind of gives everything, like makes everything stand out a little bit more. So I can definitely appreciate that. Oh, she even included, I love that she included every holiday that's pretty much printed on the MakseLife except for tax day. Like, I think it changed. I'm not sure. I feel like it's kind of been all over the place on the news, but I wouldn't want to acknowledge that day either. All right, I saw there is Earth Day, which is on the 22nd. Okay, so those are all done. I also love that in the Planner Kate monthly kits, Kate actually includes quite a bit of these text stickers on here that you can use, which I think are just great. Let's see. I think what we will start with are some Paydays, and I'm trying to figure out if I want to use the event labels because I actually think I need those for other things. So I think I'm just going to use the stickers themselves and put those where they need to go. And what was the other one? Oh, on the 20th. So those are done. And then, so the other big thing is going to be spring break, which actually starts on the 2nd. And I think I'm going to use these two skinny washies to mark that whole time right there. I actually also purchased the matching washi with this sticker kit, but it kind of seems a little bit unnecessary if I have these sticker strips here, which they're also really cute. And I realized I forgot a huge part of the kit, and I'll go back and add that in just a bit. These are so hard to get straight. And a lot of people, I don't know when spring break is for your kids, but I had a lot of people comment like, when is spring break for you guys? It feels later here. I don't really know why, but we're also used to having it at this time. So should I put that it ends on Friday? I guess so, right? It's really just a week, but it feels like forever. And we don't have a whole lot of plans, but we like to do some things. I'm honestly just very thankful that it wasn't the same week as college spring break, because it was crazy in our area. We are right along the I-95 corridor, so people traveling to and from Florida, they just sometimes make a pit stop in the Savannah area. And as you guys have probably seen on the news, things have gotten a little bit interesting in Florida. So I'm really hoping that we can actually enjoy our spring break and maybe go to the beach. Now, for our family, and especially given with everything that's going on with COVID, we probably wouldn't go to our closest beach, which is Tybee, because it is so small and it gets crowded very quickly. So we are actually considering doing something in like the Hilton Head area where you can be a little bit more spread out and would feel a little bit safer. It would just be nice to actually do something for spring break this year, you know? All right, and then we have stuff for Nathan's track days, or days that he has practice. It actually started in March, and I never got to put it on my monthly spread just because I wasn't sure how the schedule was going to work out. But for the 2 weeks, actually it would be 3 weeks in April, I do want to put those down. I just don't know if I have enough event labels. We're about to find out. And I actually have practice stickers, so that is going to save me a lot of time. And I don't know if I want to put it down for every day. It's 4 days a week, but at the same time, I like the way that it fills up the page, to be quite honest. I'm sure if you are obviously if you're watching this, you're a planner person, but if you are not a planner person, you would get it. Planner people get what I'm saying, is what I'm trying to say, and it's coming out all wrong. I wish I had gotten these in a different font. These I've had quite a while, but we will make it work. And there's some more of the pink ones on this side too. They're just a different size, so we will make it work. I also purchased the kit, the weekly kit for this. I might borrow some from there. Okay, we really don't need it until this Monday, so let's get these put down. Okay, and then as far as track meets go, I'm actually not going to put those down because a lot of times they don't always all participate in the track meets, and with COVID and everything, they do not have everyone show up if they don't need to be there, if that makes sense. Okay, so all of those are down, and next up, because I actually have, let's see, I I actually do have a day off because we have eye appointments, and that is on the 6th. I managed to somehow be able to schedule our eye appointments all on the same day during spring break. It is perfect. So all 3 of us are going. Well, 3 of the 4 of us are going. Okay, there is that. And before I forget, I want to get these squares down. Oh, they're all one piece now. I do prefer that. So these are to actually cover up the parts of the month that are no longer a part of the month. And they actually fit really well in the MakseLife. You just kind of have to center it, or, you know, whatever works best for you. But I love that these are included in kits because I like it like that. All right, I'm losing things again. I need my bookmark so I can cut off that extra because there is a little bit of extra on there. And then next up, I want to add the holidays. So what I was doing for the first couple of months of 2021 is I was using the holidays from the Celebrations collection. This month, I want to do something a little bit different, simply because I feel like now I'm going to actually have more space in my weekly for the size of the Celebration collection stickers. So I'm going to use the holiday stickers that Planner Kate has. And these come in 3-month sets. I went ahead and ordered for the whole year so that I already had them and didn't have to remember to order. And I think it's great. I think that they're a lot of fun, and you don't have to use all of them if you don't want to. She has them numbered for what corresponding day they go with, which is really cool. So let's go through these. Let's see. The first is National Burrito Day. I am okay with that. Oh, the second is National PB&J Day. Also a day that I will celebrate because I love peanut butter and jelly. The third is World Party Day. I had no idea. I guess we better plan something, right? The fourth is Tell a Lie Day. Now that's just wrong. On Easter? All right, the fifth is Deep Dish Pizza Day. So we will definitely plan our meal plan around that. I mean, who wouldn't? The 7th, so there's not a holiday for each day. The 7th is National Beer Day. I'm not a beer drinker. Are you guys beer drinkers? It's not for me. All right, the 8th is National Zoo Lovers Day. The 10th is National Siblings Day. That's awesome. I'll have to text my sister. All right, National Pet Day is on the 11th. Oh, how cute. That is awesome. Okay. Ooh, the 12th is Grilled Cheese Sandwich Day. Also, just this whole thing is like meal planning for me. It's awesome. The 15th is National High Five Day. 16th is National Bean Counter Day. Okay. All right, the 17th is Husband Appreciation Day. That's awesome. National Garlic Day is on the 19th. Again, helping me with the meal plan. I feel like we put garlic in everything. Anyway, and the light is doing weird things. So sorry. All right, the 22nd is National Jelly Bean Day. Why is it National Jelly Bean Day closer to Easter? Just a thought. The 23rd is National English Muffin Day. I love English muffins. I think I'm the only one in my house who loves them. The 25th is Penguin Day. I love penguins. Okay. National Pretzel Day on the 26th. Again, I'm here for all the food holidays. The 27th is National Prime Rib Day. Yep. I don't know if we're going to have that, though. Prime rib's expensive. What day is 28th is Kiss Your Mate Day. Okay. Too easy. And then the 29th is International Dance Day. And the 30th is National Honesty Day. Okay, then. I put a few of these down crooked. This one specifically. All right, so there we go. I actually really like the way that this turned out. The light is like literally blinding me. But like I said, this is kind of a jam-packed month with sports, all the things, spring break, still doing a lot of prep stuff for graduation. So I'm sure that this is going to fill up quite a bit more. I actually checked the school calendar before I started this because they've just kind of been adding things as they've gotten the okay to do them. So a lot of things are happening last minute, unfortunately. All right, that is everything for this April plan with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.